here. We're going to talk to Jennifer Lewis. We're going to talk to her about what she thought of it, her thoughts of the day. It's now 6 p.m. and Christmas wrap opening is long over. It happened this morning about 9:30. So we're going to talk to Jennifer here, and she's going to say a few words about what she got and stuff like that. Okay.
I got the Grinch. I got the Grinch for Christmas.
Talk to the camera.
Oh, I got the Grinch for Christmas.
Yeah. Did you get anything else?
I got a computer.
A computer?
Yeah.
What kind?
A toy computer.
Oh, so you play with it, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, what else did you get?
I got a Cabbage Patch. I wanted the pet.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah.
What else did you get?
Cabbage Patch Big Wheel.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah. And I got a penguin that moves.
It moves?
Yeah. Well, you slap it on the floor.
You slap it on the floor, why don't you go get it?
Okay.
Oh boy, here while Jennifer goes and gets her.
Okay, I'm back. Got this for my birthday from my brother, sister-in-law, and nephews, along with the Boba Fett pin. So, had it for like, I don't know, a few months now. No, my birthday was in January, but I got it later than that. So, I wanted to open it, so I thought I would go ahead and do that now, since I'm in the unboxing kind of mood. A little different from my computer. I guess I just open like this. I don't know. I haven't played with Legos since I was a child. So this should be quite interesting. So it is the what do you call it? Snowtroopers and stuff and Snowtrooper Battle Pack. 74 pieces. So inside the box, inside the box we have, there they are, right there. This should be a piece of cake, 72 pieces. Little instruction book. And it shows you how to put them together. I'm going to say don't think I'll need that though. It doesn't look like it's going to be that hard.